GitHub Copilot is transforming how engineering teams write, review, and ship code. This video shows how to turn its AI power into measurable impact across your entire software delivery lifecycle. From there, you can create a unified insights dashboard, set your date range, and open the filters panel. Use the filters to decide which Copilot KPIs to show, and then fine-tune KPI thresholds so every view matches how your organization measures productivity. First up, in the Copilot usage metrics, you will see KPIs like active AI adoption, the percentage of Copilot-assisted pull requests, PR open-to-merge time, and task throughput. Every KPI card includes a short, auto-generated narrative that explains what changed, why it matters, and what it means for your team's productivity. Developer usage shows exactly how your teams are working with Copilot day to day. You can see which programming languages, editors, and models developers actually use, and compare their popularity across your org. Drill into IDE completion models and chat models to understand where Copilot is most effective and where there's room to grow. Codebase activity reveals how GitHub Copilot is changing the way your teams ship code. Compare pull requests and commits from users with and without Copilot at the team level to see who's getting the biggest boost. With performance and activity views, you can spot bottlenecks, measure improvements in PR and cycle times, and decide where to optimize next. The Copilot usage view surfaces license and engagement health in one place. Leaders can see allocated versus active licenses, usage trends, and inactive users, then export detailed lists for follow-up. User engagement metrics go deeper, highlighting which Copilot features power users rely on, and how sticky Copilot really is over time. Copilot Productivity Pulse helps you turn Copilot usage into real business value. Plug in your developer count, salaries, and estimated time savings to model the cost and time impact of adoption. In seconds, leaders can see projected ROI, test different adoption scenarios, and align Copilot rollout with business goals. First, look at developer activity. The yellow line shows active IDE users, and the purple line shows active chat users over time. Next, move to acceptance rate and suggestion retention rate. Acceptance rate tells you how many AI suggestions developers actually accept into their code, while suggestion retention shows how often that accepted code survives later edits and refactors. Reliability impact. Security shows how many code and secret scanning alerts GitHub Advanced Security is finding over time. You can spot spikes in risk at a glance, then flip to the drill-down table to see exactly which orgs, repos, and high-severity alerts need action first. Reliability. Impact. Quality tracks daily. Jira defects so you can see when bugs spike and where stability might be slipping. With one click into the drill-down table, leaders can review each defect by project, status, and type to understand what's blocking quality and what's already resolved. The Executive Summary tab acts as a control center for leaders, turning Copilot data into a clear story of impact. It surfaces adoption, AI-assisted PR performance, hours and dollars saved, and benchmark comparisons, so executives can instantly see where Copilot is driving ROI, which teams are leading the way, and where to focus the next wave of investment or enablement. Enterprise Analytics gives you the big picture view of Copilot across the entire organization. It aggregates daily active users, code generation and acceptance, language and editor usage, and team-level productivity signals, helping you track rollout momentum, spot adoption gaps, and connect AI usage directly to real engineering output and business value. The Copilot Contribution Report gives you the big picture volume story. Across developers, you can see the total lines written with AI-assisted lines and a Copilot acceptance rate. This tells leaders that the organization has the licenses and the feature turned on, but has not yet converted that into material contribution at scale. Adoption and impact make the gap even clearer. On the left, allocated licenses versus license usage show that licenses were initially provisioned. On the right, suggestion and acceptance volumes start strong in the early weeks, then fall to zero along the same timeline, confirming that Copilot activity stopped entirely rather than just becoming less visible.